Good morning, everyone. This is Julie McDonald with Microcom Technologies, and I'd like to thank all of you for attending today's webinar with Yealink. Today's host is Jordson Zhao. He is the Senior Account Manager for North America, and he'll be presenting today. If anyone has any questions, please submit them in the question box, and Jordson will answer them at the end of today's presentation. Jordson, I'm finished for now. Thank you so much for being with us today. Please go ahead and take it on over.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Julie, and thank you for Microcom holding this webinar for Yealink. And also, I really appreciate all the partners coming and all the customers coming for this webinar. And today, we are going to talking about Yealink headsets and also Yealink Microsoft solutions. So firstly, we would like to share some ideas about how Yealink headset can help boost your business. Therefore, I think for many of you guys know that Yealink have been having some successes on flip phone business, but maybe some of them are not aware that Yealink have great headsets. And actually, Yealink have great ambitions and on headsets. So today, on the headset part, we are going to covering these segments. The first one is the great ambitions of Yealink on headsets and how Yealink was got prepared for this, and how headset is a really growing opportunity for you guys, and the recommended headsets, and how easy for you guys to sell Yealink headsets. And last part would be the Q&A. So great ambitions. Yealink have the great ambitions on headset. Actually, Yealink right now have 3 strategy product lines. The first one is probably many of you guys are very familiar, the audio devices, including the flip phone. And the second one is personal collaboration, and headset definitely take the better part of it. And the last one is video solution. And so right now, headset is one of the 3 strategy product line for Yealink. So the headset is very important for Yealink. With that being said, Yealink have put more than 30% R&D investment on headsets, and also the fundamental of Yealink being so confident about headset is that Yealink already have so many years successful experience on the DAC and Bluetooth wireless technology, and also the successful experience in audio communication technology. And Yealink also talk to a lot of customers, resellers, and a lot of industry experts about headset to learn the customers' concern, customers' needs, and how to make Yealink headset different with other brands, other products in the market, how Yealink can address all the difficulties, all the challenges for our customers and for partners. And Yealink also have a data center, including more than 3,000 hairstyles. So Yealink is able to make the headsets comfortable for all the peoples around the world. And headset definitely is a growing opportunity for Yealink and also for you guys. Business headset market size is larger than flip phones, and it's also growing much faster. There will be like $2.6 billion revenue globally in 2025, according to the researches made by Yealink and also a lot of the industry knowledges. So considering how big the opportunity is for Yealink and for you guys, there is one thing we would like to mention, that the percentage of wireless headset used with phones is over 50%. So I'm guessing that a lot of you guys are reselling Yealink headsets or buying reselling Yealink phones or buying Yealink phones. So that means that you have your customers or yourself would need the wireless headsets. And for sure, Yealink wireless headset are the best headsets for Yealink phones. And here we'll get to the points talking about the recommended headsets. Yealink have a full portfolio of business headsets, including USB wire headsets, RJQD wire headsets, and DEC wireless headsets. But today we are going to focus on Yealink DEC headsets because Yealink actually have the best advantages on these products. And Yealink DEC headsets also have a lot of differentiators comparing with other brands, other models in the market. So firstly, you can see that Yealink wireless headset have the BG Light built-in, and according to a lot of customers and partners and industry experts, Yealink wireless headsets have the industry-leading noise cancellation performance, and also the farthest wireless range. And the last, you guys are very important that if so for most of the headsets in the market, especially for DEC headsets, if a customer would like to have a DEC headset to pair with a Yealink phone, they will need to buy an additional EHS adapter. That means that there is the additional cost and hassles. But for Yealink headsets, for Yealink WH6 headsets, what we are talking about, if the customers use the headset and the Yealink phone, there is no need for the EHS adapter. And EHS adapter is like $70-$80 for the customer, so they can actually save a lot of money from this. Yealink headsets have been a lot of customers and industry experts have tested Yealink headsets and they love Yealink headsets. There are some experts like the guys at Microsoft and also some headset specialized resellers. And if you guys have interest, you guys can actually see some videos on YouTube. And also, a lot of Yealink phone resellers love Yealink headset. You guys can see that there are some ITSPs put their inputs about Yealink headsets. They love Yealink headsets. Many of them did not sell any headsets before, but after they testing Yealink headsets, they love selling headsets. They love selling Yealink headsets. And one of the reasons behind this is that it's very easy for Yealink phone resellers to sell Yealink headsets. There have been some concerns about from the Yealink phone, some phone resellers, like it's difficult to recommend the customer or correct headsets. But like what I have shown to you, Yealink only have only have a few models for DEC headsets, and those headsets are great for Yealink phones. So it's very easy for you guys to recommend the best headset for your customers' specific scenario. And if we take a close look on Yealink warranty and support services, we also take care of everything for you guys. Like the maintenance services, Yealink have the AMS system for RMA services. Actually, Yealink cover 2 years free warranty, and if there is any headsets in your customer's hand go wrong within the warranty, Yealink can get engaged directly without asking you to get involved, and then verify the RMA. And if the RMA is verified, Yealink can let a distributor to ship the free replacement directly. And also, Yealink have the list of headset compatibility list. So your customers can check the compatibility directly without asking you. And Yealink also have a ticket system to answer all the questions from your customers. Last, Yealink also have the self-service support, including how-to videos, how-to troubleshooting, and intensive FAQ. Okay, this is the headset part, and next we are going to talking about the Microsoft solution. Firstly, this is about the meeting devices. Yealink have the BYOD solution for video conferencing. So BYOD means that regardless the platforms you or your customers are using, Yealink video devices can support all the platforms. And it's very easy for customers to get the meeting devices connect with their PC. Yeah, just like you guys are seeing, it's very simple. And Yealink UVC40 video browser have many advanced features like auto framing feature and speaker checking. Auto framing means that if there are many people in a room, and the camera can automatically to aim at those people so that everyone can be included into the camera, into the screen. And speaker checking means that the camera can go automatically to the person who is speaking. And here you can see the datasheet about UVC40. Yealink BYOD solution have a lot of benefits and advantages. Like the BYOD solution is really cost effective, and there are multi-purpose like local meeting, video conferencing, and high compatibility. Yealink BYOD meeting solution can actually support all the platforms out there, including Teams, WebEx, Zoom, 8x8, all of them. The Yealink BYOD meeting solution is very simple for deployment, easy to install, and easy to manage. A20 and A30 all-in-one MTR for Android. They have the all-in-one design, so they are very popular because they are all-in-one. They are very simple. Customers can directly order them and directly install them without having a professional IT staff engaged. These devices, they are all in one. They can plug and play, and they also have those advanced features like AI features, auto framing, speaker checking. They also have the full duplex voice experience with Yealink noise-proof technology. A20 is good for focus room and small room, and A20 is good for medium room. Compare with some other video conferencing manufacturers out there, Yealink solutions are easier to start. You can see that there are some advantages of Yealink products like human presence sensor, dual screen support, and electric landscape to protect the meeting room's privacy. And here we prepare a short video to show how easy it is for customers to get a Yealink video conferencing device setup. Very easy, correct? It only took like few seconds to get everything set up and working. Intelligent video meetings, like what we have mentioned, that Yealink video solution have the auto framing and speaker checking intelligent video meeting technologies. So the customers can have the better match experience on the meeting. Here, let me show you how AI auto framing is working. And here is another advantage of Yealink is wireless sharing. So uh, for now, many users are still using the HDMI cable to do the content sharing. But Yealink have this small dongle. You can see it's plugged into the laptop, and it's a small dongle. And if it's plug and play, just one tap to share a screen wirelessly. So that it's very useful, especially for there are many people in the room and multiple people are going to share a screen. So the people don't need to take the HDMI cable here and there. And let me show you how this works by this video. Yeah, it's that easy. And Yealink's wireless content sharing device is probably the most cost-effective solution in the industry. And Yealink video conferencing devices also have the BYOD USB mode. It's actually turn the it's able to turn all Yealink video devices into like into a BYOD devices. Although the A20 and like A30 collaboration bus, they have two versions. One is for native Teams certified by Microsoft Teams, another one is for Zoom. But if your customers are using other platforms like WebEx, RingCentral, or 8x8, and they can actually use the USB BYOD solution to support all other solutions, all other platforms that they might be using moving forward. High performance future-proof chipset is another advantage of Yealink video conferencing solution. Some other manufacturers out there, they also have video conferencing devices. They also have the Android-based collaboration bus, but their chipset are not as good as Yealink's. And because the great chipsets Yealink video conferencing devices have, so Yealink devices are actually future-proof. As you guys know, right now the technology of video conferencing is going up really quickly. More and more new features are being launched, being released. So Yealink video conferencing devices can uh, can can meet your customers' demand right now and in the future. Okay, the last we go to the partner demo program. So if you already have a project, Yealink now offers a free A20 and A30 not for resale kits to all new partners registering a new video conferencing project with Yealink. And there is some other options. Options B, if you want to try A20 and A30, special pricing for A20 and A30 kits are available. And the last option is that if you want to try UVC40 or UVC40 BLOD devices, there are also special pricing available there for you guys. And here you guys can see the promotion and also deal registration policy. So for deal registration policy, the bar for deal registration discount is as low as 3 rooms. If you guys have a deal between 3 rooms to 9 rooms, there are the discount available 5%. And if you guys have a larger deal, of course there are larger discount available for you guys. Okay, that is the end of this presentation. And if you guys have any question, please let us know. And Julie, and here I would like to turn it over to you.
Thank you very much, Georgeson, for that wonderful presentation. We appreciate it very much. And I do have some headset questions for you. First question is regarding the warranty. Now, you did talk about the warranty. The question is the warranty the same for all of the headsets?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, the warranty is the same for all of the headsets, including the wired headsets and wireless headsets, two-year free warranty.
So that's for all of them. Thank you very much. Next question here. Are the foam and cushioning portion of the headset, are they replaceable for wear and tear? Can we order more of those from you?
The ear cushion, yeah, we also have ear cushion replacement parts. So if your customers would like to replace their ear cushion, they can actually order just ear cushion.
Okay, great. Thank you for that. Next question here for you. Does the Yealink headsets work with non-Yealink phones? Can they work on other phones?
Yeah. Yealink, at this time, for wireless headsets, Yealink only have the DAC wireless headsets, and they have the USB direct connection. So the Yealink wireless headset WH6 series, they can work with any phones out there with USB ports, like many of the Polycom phones and also some Snow phones. And also moving forward, I think it's scheduled in Q1 next year. Yealink will also have the EHS cable to get Yealink WH6 series wireless headset compatible with the phones with modular ports like Cisco phones, Avaya phones. That's a great question.
Thank you very much for that. You talked a little bit about noise cancellation for these headsets. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, noise cancellation is that if you are working in a noisy environment and you turn this function on, once you turn this function on, this function will block all the surrounding noises around you. So the far end of this meeting or this call can hear your voice only without hearing any of the surrounding noises. So your voice can be heard clearly.
Great. Thank you very much for that, Georgeson. Next question here for you. If we need to reach out to Yealink for any kind of customer service support or technical support, what is the best way to reach out to you? Do we go online? What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, Yealink have the ticket systems. And actually, U.S. market is Yealink's largest market, so we have a whole team supporting U.S. market. Whenever, so for U.S. business hours, if you guys reach out to Yealink technical support can use the ticket system to answer your or your customers' questions in a timely manner. And also, Yealink have an AMS system. Uh, it's actually for RMA questions. So if your customers headset go wrong within the warranty, they can use the AMS system to submit a ticket, and then Yealink technical support can answer their question to verify the RMA, and if needed, to ship a free replacement unit to your customer without asking you to get engaged. And so this can save your time on supporting your customers.
Thank you, Georgeson, for that. Next question here for you. If anybody wanted to look deeper into all of your products and maybe want to look for more technical information or any kind of training, does your website have that information available?
Yeah, sure. Yealink website have all those information for you. And if you guys have other questions, like if there's any information you guys are looking for, but they are not on Yealink website, the website actually also provide the contact information, and you guys can use that to reach out to Yealink.
Thank you very much. Regarding support, does Yealink take phone calls, or are there chats available for the support, or do we can only go online and look up things?
Yeah, thank you for asking this question. And yeah, support is very important for the customer's experience. And for support, right now Yealink don't take a course from the customers directly, because we heard from some headset specialized resellers. They say some other major manufacturers out there, although they provide the support to take a course from the end customers directly, but this kind of support is not good. And so Yealink actually utilizes the ticketing system, and so Yealink can use the ticketing system to answer questions of your customers, and also maybe in a native basis, Yealink can also show some videos, like how-to videos, and also some pictures to guide to help your customers out.
Thank you very much for that, Georgeson. Another question here for you. Regarding manufacturing, can you tell us a little bit about where your items are manufactured, and is shipping been a problem lately, or what can you tell us about that?
Yeah, that's a great question. Yeah, Yealink products are being manufactured in China, but Yealink actually have a great supply capability. Right now, we learn that some other major headset manufacturers are experiencing the supply issues, but Yealink actually is doing very good on this. Yealink have sufficient stocks in your state, and Yealink is also having the stable supply capacity. So I'm guessing maybe some of your customers are waiting for the ETA for some other brands headsets. Maybe this is the best time for you guys to talk to them and asking them if they want to try Yealink headsets. And if they like Yealink headsets, we can ship them the same day.
Excellent. Thank you, Georgeson, for answering all of those questions for us today. And thank you to everyone for attending our webinar. And if anyone has any further questions, please feel free to contact your sales rep or email us at sales@microcomtech.com. And if you wish to view any of the products mentioned or shown today, please visit us at www.microcom.us. And please remember, this presentation has been recorded and will be uploaded to our Microcom YouTube channel so you can view it again. Thank you, Jordson. I appreciate your time and all of your valuable information. And until next time, everybody have a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye-bye, Jordson.
Thank you, Julie. Bye-bye. And thank you, every attendees. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye now.